Well, I've got about 3 or 4 cups of stew here, or liquid anyway. What I would do is drink when it cools, I'll drink the liquid for the tea factor. I've got the Labrador tea in there, the peppermint, or not the peppermint, I wish there was peppermint in there, the blueberry and the raspberry. But I also put in this stuff here. I cut up the the pond lily tubers. So let's see what that's like. It's soft anyway. Now see, I had pond lily tubers one time before. It was terrible. It's very bitter. We just roasted it in the fire. That's edible. Totally edible. It's kind of bland,